To sell Udemy courses, start by searching for Udemy in your web browser and navigating to the homepage. There, you'll find categories, a search bar, and options for Udemy Business, Instructor, and Learning. Before accessing your account, you'll need to click the login button and enter your email and password information. Once logged in, you'll see options tailored to your account, including the ability to create courses. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can develop online courses. Scroll down to find the course creation section, which includes planning, setting up a course structure, creating videos, and adding captions. You'll also have the option to customize your course landing page, set pricing, and manage promotions. To set a price for your course, simply click on Pricing, choose your currency, and enter your desired price. You can offer your course for free or set up tiered pricing. After submitting and publishing your course, people can purchase it. By following these steps, you can effectively sell your Udemy course.